All right, go Pack Go. This is the video to find the winner of the Mason Crosby 8x10 Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time, January 31st at 10:24 p.m. Going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have, where's my time here, January 31st at 10:24 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Andrea. Spot 2 is your winner. So, Andrea, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 31st, 10:24 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.